guys, boom, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you're alright, I hope you're all still getting motivated. Let's do this! Boom! Let you know the singing videos are coming back. Let's do this. So if you got any comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you're new around here, I'm Matthew. I do these vlogs weekly. Hope you enjoyed that last video. That was just pretty much to explain what was going on and just give you an insight to where these videos are going to be going. Yes, guys, yes, I forgot to vlog a bit more yesterday, so as you can see, it's a different day. Anyway, right. Yeah, you know when you have that chat with your mum, everyone knows that, and you know, I'm making plans, so yeah, life's good, guys, life's good, so don't worry about me. I'm good, and stay positive, stay motivated, and get yourselves out there, guys. So right, let's it's actually raining today. It was sunny yesterday, it's raining today, so let's go. Right guys, I'm gonna go and do a bit of shopping. So, I'm here at Lidl. Got my shopping. Right. At least I'll get some coal. On we go. Right, just got me fuel. It's from a place called Crown Fuels in Mould. From this guy. Shout out to them. Always good quality, always good prices. So yeah, cool. Got me coal. Right, I'm gonna head home. It's absolutely throwing it down. What's happened to the weather today? House. Ugh. Absolutely piddling down. What's going on today? This weather's awful. That's the Welsh weather for you around here. Right, let's get this stuff in. And I've got something to show you as well. Thanks for sending me a t-shirt. They sent me a pork chop as well, so I'm going to cook for you now and we'll see what it tastes like. So I'm going to put this t-shirt on now. Let's do this. No salt. Now I've just added some diced apple and some onions to it. So that's stew now, and I'm going to taste it. I can't wait to taste this. I'd like to say thank you very much to Discount Pork Chops, porking the nation for 20 years. I love that slogan, that's cool. Thank you guys, appreciate you sending me out some stuff. Wow, guys. I've got to say thank you to Discount Pork Chops. The chops are lovely. Wow, thank you guys. I've got the fire going. She's there. I'm going to chill out for the rest of the day. Thank you very much for watching. And if you're new around here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Keep yourselves motivated, guys. Get yourselves out there. Peace!